If you're using CrankWheel, there's a good chance you might be making some common mistakes that are affecting your experience and wasting valuable time. In this video, we're going to break down the most common mistakes when using CrankWheel so you can avoid them and get the most out of this tool. First off, let's talk about the number one mistake that many users make when getting started with CrankWheel: not properly setting up their customer-facing settings. If you skip this part or don't customize it enough, your customers will see generic messages or incorrect branding. This can make your service seem unprofessional and could result in missed opportunities. Make sure you take the time to tweak the settings so everything aligns with your branding and looks tailored to your audience. Next thing, many people don't take full advantage of CrankWheel's integration options. If you're relying on it as a standalone tool, you're missing out on a lot of the power it offers when integrated with your CRM, email marketing system, or other sales tools. Without these integrations, you'll be juggling between multiple platforms, which leads to inefficiency. You should be using the automation and connection features to streamline your workflow and save time. The third thing is not using the correct browser or version. CrankWheel works best on the latest versions of Chrome and Firefox, but if you're running outdated browsers or trying to use it on unsupported ones, you'll run into errors, freezes, or lag. This mistake may sound simple, but it's surprising how many users overlook this basic step. Make sure your browser is up to date to ensure smooth operation. Another common mistake is neglecting to adjust your settings for call quality. CrankWheel relies heavily on a good internet connection for sharing screens without interruptions. If you're not tweaking your settings to prioritize quality over speed, you might find that your calls are blurry, choppy, or drop entirely. This can ruin the experience for your customers, and no one wants that. Test your settings beforehand to make sure you're delivering the best possible call quality. The fifth mistake is not taking advantage of CrankWheel's replay feature. After you've had a call, CrankWheel lets you record and replay your screen share. This is valuable for reviewing your presentation or sending it to clients who need a recap. Too many users forget about this feature, missing out on the chance to capture important moments or mistakes they can improve upon. Next, CrankWheel offers some useful analytics and tracking features, but many users aren't reviewing them often enough. The data can give you insights into your calls, such as how long your customers are engaged or whether they're dropping off early. Without regularly checking these stats, you're flying blind, which prevents you from optimizing your sales process and increasing conversions. The seventh and final thing is overlooking alternative tools for different needs. While CrankWheel is great for some, it might not be the best for your unique goals. If you're looking for an alternative that offers better functionality or better fits your business model, you might want to consider other options. That brings us to a very important point. We know CrankWheel is helpful, but we also have exclusive access to an extended free trial of a competitor that we think could work even better for your goals. This alternative offers superior features, integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, and gives you more control over your customer interactions. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, while CrankWheel has its strengths, if you're looking for more flexibility and a tool that covers everything CrankWheel does plus more, check out our recommended alternatives. Don't miss out on the extended trial and exclusive benefits. Hit the link in the description now.